honorable ministers, other dignitaries, and our esteemed guests. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks today. I begin by expressing my humble gratitude to Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Housing and Urban Development, Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, who has taken out time for this program. Sir, we are always inspired by you and we are really grateful to you. I can only assure you that your presence here today has given us strength and we'll perform our level best. We'll try to do much better. My sincere thanks to Shrimati Menaka Gandhi, Minister for Women and Child Development. Madam, your presence here today, it sends a message to women all over the country that women are important, they are powerful, they have to perform, and I can only assure you that it redoubles our effort to strive for the best in the life. Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, though he is not here, I want to thank him also. Dr. Sonal Mansingh ji and Pandita Anuradha Pal ji, we are really grateful to you. I don't have enough words to thank you. Thank you very much. You have enthralled the audience with your performances. Thank you very much. Chairman Prasar Bharati, Dr. Surya Prakash, he has always been motivating and guiding us. CEO Prasar Bharati, Rajiv Singh ji, he has been supporting us in our endeavors. My very, very special thanks to DG Doordarshan, Supriya Sahu, and her team led by Deepa Chandra ji. It is with their front-footed support that we are able to mount such a program today. Thank you very much. I want to thank all the Tejaswanis who are present here. They have taken out the time, they have traveled from different places to come and participate in the program. I want to thank my own team from DD News. They have worked very hard to make this program a success. We have been able to mount this program in a very, very short span of time. And Neelam, who has been an anchor of this program since the very beginning, she has been doing this program for last 2 years. It is her commitment and enthusiasm which adds so much of value to the program. I want to thank her also. Towards the end, I just want to say one thing. I want to quote Marie Curie, the great role model. She has stated once that life is not easy for any one of us, but what of that? We must strive to do our best. We must see that there is something best into everybody and we must try to attain it. With 2 words, Honorable Minister is in a hurry. I'll just say 2 lines in Hindi. Nari tum prem ho, आस्था हो, विश्वास हो, टूटी हुई उम्मीदों की तुम एकमात्र आस हो, नफरत की दुनिया में मात्र तुम ही प्यार हो, उठो अपने अस्तित्व को संभालो. जैसा मैडम WCD मिनिस्टर ने कहा और मंत्री जी ने भी कहा, केवल एक दिन नहीं, हर दिवस नारी दिवस बना लो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. थैंक यू.